Hello， 大家好，呢度係讀 Chinese， 我係你哋嘅老師 Gloria。Today I will teach you some expressions of number, 數字。I will record 2 videos. One is Mandarin, another is Cantonese. And if you like both of them, please give me a like. First, let me teach you how to pronounce this word. 一、三、四、六、七、八、九、十。So just now we have already learned how to express number in
Cantonese.
Now I'm going to tell you some number culture in Chinese. 1. It looked like a single person. So in the past few years, there is a modern festival for Chinese people. We call it
雙十一
On November 11th, there are lots of promotions and discounts in our famous shopping website called
淘寶
That day is like Black Friday for Western countries. So
雙十一
it's quite famous
culture
for our Chinese in modern society. About number 2, we have our famous expression called
233
It appeared in our cyber forum in the beginning and it means ha 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 ha. If you write more,
2333333
it means you laugh longer. About number 3, san. So it has similar sounds of our
生
it means alive. So lots of people they would like to use this number as their lucky number. So about say 4 is an unlucky number for us. So when we pick our phone number or our house number or wherever about number, we would like to avoid 4, but we have an expressions of this number 1314 1314 It means in one's whole life. About 5, we have a very special and we always use this number to express to our lover. So this one is called
520
520. It means 我爱你 我爱你 Since 520 have similar sounds of 我爱你 So we will use this series of number to represent for our love. Maybe some people will text you about this one. 555 So it means crying. About number 6,
6
so there is another series numbers called
6
So it means awesome, amazing. So when your friend passed a difficult exam, so you could congratulations to him called
6
It will surprise your friends a lot. About number 8,
8
So for Chinese people, we really like this number 8. So it have similar sounds of the Cantonese 發 is similar. 發 it means get fortune. So we would like to get more money. So as what I say, when we pick our number and we try to get this kind of number, they also have another famous meaning. Is 88. 88. 88. It means see you, goodbye. Okay, finally about number 9. 9. Number 9 has a similar sound of 9, 9 of this character. So this character means for long. For example, when our friend get married, everyone hope their marriage will last for long. So we will give them some lucky money with 9. So during Valentine's Day, our boyfriends, they would like to buy the roses related to number 9 to represent that they hope their love will last for long. So all in all, this foreign number is our lucky number. 3, 8, 9 are our lucky number. And remember, when you come to China, just avoid this number. 4 is our unlucky number. Remember this. So, see you next time. Thanks for watching my video. I hope today you have already learned how to express number in Chinese. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my video or follow my Instagram 𝐿_Chinese. See you 88. Bye bye.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10